Hello viewers, today we are going to travel at Ranpethani. It was very difficult to cross under from these sort of small bridges. This area is located in Sindh province of Pakistan. It looks an isolated railway station. Only one train stops here. However, it is only 90 kilometers away from Karachi but looks not developed. I traveled two difficult paths to reach out there. The lack of roads is probably the biggest obstacle to the development of this area. Viewers, I hope you enjoyed. For more videos, must subscribe my channel. It is Riz Infotainment.